You know how people always chase the perfect trend indicator, but never seem to find one that actually does the job? Well, what if I told you the answer might have been hiding in plain sight on TradingView this whole time? Today, I'll show you what I believe is one of the best trend indicators out there. I will also show an amazing trading strategy that will amaze you. Let me show you exactly how this thing works. To load it on your trading chart, open TradingView. I'll be using it throughout this video. To add the indicator, click on that indicator's button and search for Logarithmic Regression Channel Trend. After that, add this one created by Big Beluga. Now the core of this indicator is based on something called logarithmic regression, which is especially good at smoothing out price movement over time. So rather than react to noise, it captures the actual trend beneath the chaos. Let's break down what you see when you load it up. There's this ribbon flowing through the price. That's your regression line paired with a signal line, and it constantly shifts color. When it turns green, that's your bullish signal suggesting upward movement. And when it changes color to red, that suggests bearish movement in the market, meaning price is in a downward phase. These color shifts aren't random. They're based on crossover logic between the two lines, which adds a nice confirmation layer to your decision making. Surrounding the ribbon, you'll notice two bands forming a channel. This is the logarithmic regression channel, and it works like a longer-term guide. When the channel is green, we're in an uptrend. When it's red, we're dealing with a downtrend. And here's where it gets powerful. When price reaches the upper band, it might be overbought within the trend. So even though we're still trending up, it could mean a short-term pullback is coming. Same thing goes for the lower band. If price touches that during a downtrend, it could be oversold and a bounce might be due. This helps you avoid getting faked out at the worst times. On the chart, you'll also notice a little table. This shows the current state of both the regression ribbon and the channel. It's super helpful when you want a quick glance at whether things are lining up or not. Now, let's talk strategy. First of all, the big picture. The channel tells us the longer-term trend. If it's green, we're looking for only buy trades. And if it's red, we're looking for only sell trades. Within that, we use the ribbon as our signal line. During an uptrend, we wait for the ribbon to go red in color. That's our pullback. And then when it flips back to green again, we've got our possible continuation entry. To keep things tight and avoid getting chopped up in sideways markets, we will add another indicator to the trading chart.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Because if we only use this to open buy or sell positions, there are also going to be many false signals, which can lead to more loss. So we will click on the Indicators tab again, and from here, search for the Andian Oscillator. It's another TradingView indicator, created by Alex Grover. This is how it looks on the trading chart. What it does is filter out flat market conditions using three lines: green, red, and orange. When the orange line is above the green and red, it signals a flat, choppy market. But when the green line is above the orange, it confirms upward movement. And when the red is above the orange, we've got downward pressure in the market. Let me show you a full buy trade setup. As we can see here, the channel is green, so we're only thinking of opening buy trades. The ribbon turns red here, which is our potential pullback. Then the ribbon turns back to green color. This gives us a continuation signal. Now we check the Andian Oscillator. If the green line is above the orange line at the same time, we've got confirmation. So we can open a buy position on the start of the next candle. Just like this. We can place the stop loss below the recent swing low. For take profit, you've got two solid options. You can take profit either when the price touches the upper band of the channel which often acts as a natural resistance, or when the green line in the Andian Oscillator drops below the orange line, signaling a slowdown in trend momentum. As you can see, this was a pretty good signal generated by our trading strategy. Now, let's have a look at another example on a 15-minute time frame. Here, we've got a green channel. The ribbon was also green. And then here, the ribbon turns red. After that, it turns back to green color. Andian Oscillator confirms this signal also. As we can see here, the green line is above orange one. So all the conditions are fulfilled, and we can open a buy position over here. You can set the take profit and stop loss targets as explained earlier, or you can also try out your own method. So the price pushes up, and eventually this would have been an amazing, profitable buy trade. Clean, simple, and mechanical. Let's drop down to an even lower time frame. Say 5 minutes. Here we can see again. The channel is green. We get another mini pullback. Ribbon goes red. Then it flips to green again, and after that, the green line on the oscillator crosses above orange. So we've got another buy entry signal from our trading strategy. This multi-layer confirmation helps you avoid second-guessing yourself. Now you should have a good idea on how you can enter a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules and conditions for entering a sell trade using this strategy. Now, here's a sell setup example. We're still on a 5-minute trading chart, and the regression channel is red in color, signaling a downtrend. Then, the ribbon goes from red to green in color. That's a pullback. After that, it turns to red color again. So now, we check the Andian Oscillator. We can clearly see the red line is above the orange line. That confirms bearish strength. So we can open a sell position on the next candle. The stop loss for a sell trade can go above the recent high. And for profit, again, either the lower band of the channel or when the red line dips back below the orange line. The beauty of this system is that it gives you structure. You're not just reacting to random price action. You're working with a setup that keeps you aligned with the trend, filters out the choppy mess, and gives you multiple layers of confirmation. Just keep in mind, no indicator or strategy is perfect. You will take losses. It's part of the game. So try this strategy out. Test it on different time frames. And most importantly, trade smart. If you learned something new, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more deep dives into powerful indicators and smart trading systems like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next video.